This is excretory products and their elimination test 8. Here comes the 46th question. HCO3 can be reabsorbed in 1. PCT only, 2. DCT only, 3. PCT and DCT, 4. DL of LOH. Next, 47th question. Ascending limb of loop of Henle is 1. Permeable to water, 2. Impermeable to water, 3. Impermeable to both salts and water, 4. Impermeable to salts. 48. Question. Tubular secretion of K plus ions takes place in 1. PCT and DCT, 2. PCT and LOH, 3. DCT and CD, 4. CD only. Next comes the 49th question. Small amount of urea enter the thin segment of the AL of LOH is transported back to the medullary interstitium from 1. Proximal convoluted tubule to distal convoluted tubule, 3. DL of loop of Henle, 4. Collecting duct. Next comes the 50th question. The operation of vasa recta to maintain hyperosmotic gradient in the medullary interstitial fluid is called 1. Selective reabsorption, 2. Glomerular filtration, 3. Tubular secretion, 4. Counter current exchange. Next comes the 51st question. Flow of renal fluid in LOH and flow of blood in vasa recta are in 1. Same direction, 2. Opposite direction, 3. Varies based on the conditions, 4. None of the above. Next, 52nd question. Two loops of LOH constitute 1. Counter current exchange system, 2. RAS, 3. Counter current multiplier system, 4. ANP. Next comes the 53rd question. When compared to initial filtrate, the human kidney can produce urine nearly 1. 2 times concentrated, 2. 4 times concentrated, 3. 8 times concentrated, 4. 10 times concentrated. Next comes the 54th question. The production of atrial natriuretic peptide by heart takes place when the 1. Blood pressure increases, 2. Blood volume decreases, 3. Blood pressure decreases, 4. Blood corpuscles in decrease in their number. Next comes the 55th question. Renin is secreted when the blood pressure in efferent arteriole is 1. Increased, 2. Decreased, 3. Constant, 4. Completely dropped. Next comes the 56th question. Identify the mismatched combination. Renin, JG cells, angiotensinogen, liver, angiotensin converting enzyme, kidney, aldosterone, adrenal cortex. Next comes the 57th question. More the volume of blood, the following is released more. 1. ACE by lungs, 2. Aldosterone by adrenal cortex, 3. ADH by neurohypophysis, 4. ANF by heart. Next comes the 58th question. The hormone and enzyme released by voluntary muscles for regulatory activities of urine formation respectively are 1. ANF and renin, 2. ACA and ANF, 3. ANF and ACE, 4. Renin and ANF. Next comes the 59th question. The following hormone decreases the absorption of water and Na place from proximal convoluted tubule. 1. Aldosterone, 2. Antidiuretic hormone, 3. Vasopressin, 4. Atrial natriuretic peptide. Next comes the 60th question. Micturition is A or AN. 1. Voluntary response, 2. Involuntary response, 3. Autonomous, 4. None of the above.